name's James. And today I really want to kind of share our experience working with Gabriel and Step Up Constructions on working with us on our renovating and remodeling our home. The first person we thought of was Gabriel because we had visited several of our friends who Gabriel helped with the remodeling. And then we were very impressed by all the work that he had done. My friend's houses were beautiful. So we thought, hey, we want to get in touch with Gabriel to see if he could help us to make our home beautiful like our friends. So we have set up a initial consultation with Gabriel, right, to kind of give a tour of the house as it was before, and then kind of share some of the ideas that we wanted to do to remodel our house. And then Gabriel was very kind in sharing all the a lot of his own ideas. And then he also said that as part of the process, right, he offered us a one-stop shop from all the way to design to the actual remodeling, right? Gabriel helped, and his company, his team helped us to get the lead on so we can follow up and focus on what's really important, right? Which is the creative side of, what our dream home world, should look like. And then let Gabriel and his team take care of the rest. Gabriel and his team move quickly, right, to make sure that the project stays on track, right, that we're able to finish the project on time, and that all the milestones that we plan to do were reached, right. So he really worked hard and communicated with us to make sure that the project goes smoothly throughout and reach the finish line. Very pleased, with the results, and yeah.